Alright folks, YouTube clickbait. Hiking to a waterfall in a blizzard with my dog. Here we go. Hashtag van life. This is Zapata Falls Trail near Great Sand Dunes National Park. The nearest city is maybe Alamosa, Colorado. And we were supposed to be van lifing it over to Utah. But there's a giant snowstorm here in Colorado. So we headed south instead, and to try and escape at least the majority of the snow. And as you can see, he totally escaped it. No, there's still snow here, but it's not that bad. And so Loki and I are gonna take a hike to this waterfall. It's a short hike, maybe like half a mile. We're parked in this campground here, like a dispersed campground. And yeah, let's get to it. All right, sign to the trailhead. Up this way. Looks a little sketchy in the snow here. But let's see how it goes. So Loki's already post-holing a bit. Do not have snowshoes. I do have spikes if I really need them. I'm expecting I don't. Again, short hike, half a mile. Maybe just kind of a rocky hike here. So, yeah, I'm near Sand Dunes, Great Sand Dunes National Park. And guess what? In the snowstorm, there was no one at Great Sand Dunes. There's no one else in this campground. So, campground basically looks down on the San Luis Valley here. On a clear day, you would see the sand dunes. So if it clears up tomorrow morning, I'll give you a view of what it looks like then. Woo! Already up here, uphill. So we're about 9,000, starting at 9,000 feet of elevation, and I think the trail goes up 800 feet or so. Are you done? Are you ready to hike yet? On the trail proper now, there was a little cutover trail from the campground area. So now we're on the actual trail. Come on, buddy. So, I think this is the falls. We're like standing on it. You can hear it over here. All right, let's see if I can get up here without killing myself and Loki. Super slick. All right, let's get over to the snow. Okay. Okay, settle down. All right, let's let's climb up here. The snowier area. It's okay, bud. Holy moly. It's slick. All right, I'll purposely slide down it on the way back. Oh man. So where are the actual falls? Oh, dude, this is so cool. Oh my God. There's some water. Look at this. How freaking cool is that? Whoa. Alright, maybe I didn't have the spikes. Okay. So freaking cool. Did I get enough video of that? That's so cool. Okay, here's the sliding part. So I'm just gonna sit down and this time purposely slide down here. Come, yo, Loki, give me a pull. Give me a pull, come on. Here we go. Alright, give me a pull, bud. Pull me. Yeah, so cool. So, Zapata Falls, Zapata Falls, Frank Zappa Falls, Zapata Falls, we'll call it that. Very cool, highly worth a trip, especially in winter when it's all frozen. So, put on your spikes at the Slick Rocks sign. You can see in the distance there a little bit. Thank you for coming with me on this little adventure, and we'll see you in the next one.